right, so let me start off by saying this. We don't believe this was a random shooting. We do not believe that this was an individual indiscriminately firing into a train or in a train station. This incident today occurred, or was as a result of two groups that started fighting while on a train. And I'll walk you through a preliminary story, okay? So this afternoon at about 4:35 p.m., there were multiple 911 calls for police to respond to the Mount Eden train station for shots fired. Police officers arrive, they go up to the northbound platform of the 4 train, and they come upon 6 people who were shot. Of the 6 people that were shot, there's 4 males and 2 females, and their ages range from 14 to 71 years old. All 6 victims were taken to local hospitals, and unfortunately one of the victims, a 34-year-old, was pronounced deceased as a result of being shot.